Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, another song from Taylor Swift called Mr. Perfectly Fine. Is it about you? Could be, could be. Let's dive into this song. It's very, very easy, so I just couldn't hold back. It's, normally 4 chords, and what I mean by normally, I'm gonna explain for you later. But these chords are D chord. Sounds like this: open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we move on to A, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then we got this B minor, like this. You need to bar your 2nd fret like this. And then we have the 4th on D, 4th on G, and 2nd on B. So you bar it from the A string and down with your index finger. And the final chord is the G chord, like this. 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G. And I prefer to play 3rd on B and 3rd on E. Before we go to the chord progression, we're going to look at the strumming pattern, which is the same through the whole song. Very, very easy. So it's down, down, up, up, down, up. And it sounds like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Yeah, so pretty easy. Down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's look at the chord progression here. For the verse, we start with the D chord. And we're gonna do 2 there, so 2 strumming patterns. Then A, 2 times. Then B minor, 2 times. And G, 2 times. One more time, over again. D, A, 2 times. B minor, and G, 2 times. That's for the verse. And then on the pre-chorus, we're gonna go with the B minor, 1 time. Sorry, 2 times. Then G, 2 times. D, 2 times. And A. And then the chorus from D, 2 times, A, B minor, 2 times, G, 1 time, A, 1 time, and then over again, D, A, B minor, 2 times, G, A, and D, 2 times. So that's pretty much it when it comes to this song. We have this bridge later on, and on the bridge we're gonna neglect this strumming pattern. It will be only 1 down strum for every time you need to play a chord. So the bridge is 2 times on D and 2 A strums, and back to D again 2 times, and to B minor 2 times, and to G one time, and to A one time. Now, in the beginning I told you there are normally 4 chords. If you're gonna play it exactly like Taylor is do it, then you need to learn 3 more chords, because on the chorus, which comes right after the bridge, she sings a little bit higher. So the chorus will be, instead of D, A, B minor, G, A, it will be E, B, C, C sharp minor, and A, B. So instead of so we're gonna use higher chords. So in this case I'm gonna just demonstrate for you, but I don't think it's necessary to actually play these chords if you wanna play for people. So I think it's optional, and I wouldn't do it, but I wanna show you just for yeah, instructional purpose. So the E chord is like this: open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we move on to the B chord, where you bar the second fret here from the A string and down, and the rest of the fingers just lay on top of each other. So it will be 4th on the D string, 4th on the G string, and 4th on the B string. And then C sharp minor, you bar the 4th fret from A string and down, and the rest looks like an A minor, which is here on the D string, 6th fret, and also 6th fret on the G string, and 5th fret on the B string. And then you go back to A, which we know by now, and also B, which we also know by now. So then it will be like this. Two strumming patterns for E, and 2B, 2 C sharp minor, 1 A, and 1 B. So that's it. It's optional, but yeah, it's good to know. That pretty much covers this song, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's very easy and easy to play. So if you like it, thumb up, leave a comment for future wishes, and don't forget to play tuned, of course.